How the f does ScrubDaddy have 2 million followers on TikTok? For God's sakes, it's a freaking sponge brand. I've been analyzing ScrubDaddy's TikTok for months, and in this video, I'm gonna show you the top 3 things they use to get 2 million followers on TikTok. So first things first, let's actually pull up their TikTok so you can see, right? You can see ScrubDaddy, you can see 2 million followers, and they have posts that have 19 million views, 25 million views, 16 million views, and all of their videos include their product, that stupid little happy face sponge, but it's absolutely genius. The first and probably most important thing that ScrubDaddy does is their content is actually funny and fun to watch. Let's go through some examples so you can see. Like, check this one out with 19 million views. So that was this stupid little trend that like the bigger muscular version comes on when the beat drops. So that's actually pretty funny when the trend was in style. Let's watch another one. So that's another one, just a quick, short, simple one, but they're actually really, really funny pieces of content. So their media team is really creative in finding trending sounds and actually making the content funny. So that's what I think, number one, is most important, that gets people to engage, that gets people to share the post, increasing their follower count. This transitions perfectly into my next point, is they're very, very good at using the hot and trendy sounds. So like I said in those 2 videos I just showed you, they were using the sounds that were trending, which typically get a boost on TikTok. I don't know if that's true or not, but still, that's what people are used to seeing on their feed, is those trending sounds. So if you can relate your product, like they take their sponge and relate it to the sound of the trend, it's absolutely genius and it's guaranteed to get you more followers. I've done the same thing in my business. Here's another perfect example of the CEO of ScrubDaddy actually using this exact trick. So that's another thing, right? That was actually really funny. They used the trendy sound. They're not afraid to curse. Like, guys, cursing is old. Use curse words. It's funny. It gives your profile more attraction. I use curse words in my fishing brand for our social media, and we've grown, so it works. And the third thing that they do is they use large ScrubDaddies and colorful ScrubDaddies to get your attention. It gets people to stop on your post and say, what the heck is going on? So if you can do something that's eye-catching or different in your content, that's how you're gonna get more views and get more followers for your business page and your personal page. Now, I have a braided fishing line company called Beyond Braid. And right now, as you can see, we got 31,000 followers on TikTok, and we've implemented the exact same strategy ScrubDaddy's doing. Like, I get a lot of inspiration from ScrubDaddy. And again, you don't have to have a giant media team like ScrubDaddy does. I'm sure they have a huge social media team. We have a social media manager, but I make a lot of the content myself, getting inspired from ScrubDaddy. So what you could do is go to a page like ScrubDaddy, see the trending sounds and the trending videos that they're using, and try to apply them as best as you can to your videos. So let me show you a few examples of where we've done that and how we've actually gotten results doing that. So you can see here, I used a trending sound. I got 95,000 views on a quick little 7-second video that I did.
I need to feel something. Harry, can you tell me something that'll piss me off? Boba Fett's better than Mondo. Yep, that'll do it.
So I took that quick little clip and I related it to our business by saying monofilament line is better than braided fishing line, which is not true, hence making it funny, hence getting us 100,000 views. Let's find another example. So this one got 151,000 views. TikTok loves that guys take off their shirt, so that's what I did. And it was a quick little trending sound and I related it to fishing, so check it out. So I know that's extremely cringy, like I think it's cringy to watch, but it got 151,000 views, and did a sale probably come from it? Probably. So moral of the story is, you have to make your content funny, you have to use trending sounds, and you gotta get people's attention with eye-popping things. That's the secret to growing your brand on TikTok. And that's exactly how ScrubDaddy did it. Now, if you have a personal brand and you wanna make videos with cool captions like this, go check out this video and I'll teach you exactly how to make captions like the pros on their TikTok. Hope you got some value. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.